Hey guys, welcome to another video folder review video. This is the bicycle rack from Simple House. It's a 5-bike bicycle rack. Just wanted to show you quickly the box before I open it. It's not too big actually, so not really much to expect in the mail. I got it for $34 on Amazon, and I like it because it looks like it's modular, so I can do 3 bikes or 4 bikes all the way up to 5 if I want to, and it will fit tires that are 2.5 inches thick. So I'm going to get it put together, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's built and how well it holds my bikes. So as you can see in the box, we have some instructions, pretty self-explanatory. So we have some pipes here that create the length of it. Then we have the end pieces, and then the actual pieces that hold the bike tire, and then some screws. So get it put together. Okay, so I'm putting it together, and as you can see, basically you just snap these together, build the structure of it. Then you connect these little pipes there into the holes right here, like that, and then you take a bolt and screw it in. You do that for all of the different bike rack areas and you're done. Alright, so I have it fully put together. As you can see, it does fit large bikes. It's not having a problem keeping it together or holding the bike up at all. You can also have bikes right next to each other. These are adult bikes and they are right next to each other. No problem at all. I do want to say one cool thing about it is somewhat flexible, so it doesn't have to be on a perfectly flat ground to hold the bikes. This can bend down, which I think is a positive, even though some people might see that as cheap. I think it makes it more usable. So I'm pretty happy. It is modular. You could do 4, you could go all the way down to 2 bikes, 1 bike if you wanted to. And it does seem pretty sturdy. So that was the 5-bike floor rack from Simple Houseware. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description so you can find this exact bike rack on Amazon. They have different colors as well. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to Video Folder for more tutorials and reviews. Thank you so much for watching.